How to properly remove your press-on nails. So as you can see, these nails have been on for 3 full weeks. You can always tell you've done a great job with your nail prep when you see new growth coming in, and when you check around the edges of the nail, you can see it's still secure and there are no signs of lifting. So the first method is warm water and cuticle oil. Simply add a few drops of cuticle oil to the warm water, and you can use your cuticle pusher to stir. If you don't have cuticle oil, you can use olive oil or coconut oil, pretty much any oil that's safe to use on your skin. Allow your nail to soak for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes has passed, remove your nail from the water and use your cuticle pusher to gently separate the press-on nail from your natural nail. If you feel any pain or discomfort, you should stop and allow your nails to soak for a few more minutes before you try again. You can also use your cuticle pusher to make a wedge between your natural nail and the press-on nail. Now you can add a few drops of cuticle oil directly between the press-on nail and your natural nail, which will allow the nail to slide off with ease. The second method is using 100% pure acetone. Pour the acetone into a glass bowl and allow your nail to soak for 10 minutes. Please be sure that the bowl is real glass and that it's clear. If you use plastic or a bowl that has been artificially colored, the acetone will melt through and could possibly cause damage. Also keep in mind that this method will completely destroy the press-on nail, so if you want to reuse them, it is recommended that you use the water and the cuticle oil method instead. After 10 minutes has passed, remove your nail from the bowl and use your cuticle pusher to gently separate the press-on nail from your natural nail. The acetone will break down the glue a lot faster than the water and the oil, so it shouldn't take long for the nail to slide off. If you have any leftover glue on your nails, simply get your nail file and buff the surface of your natural nail until all the glue is gone. If you have any additional questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.